Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is June 5th, 2021, and the market is officially closed. It is good to be back. I had a nice time off. It feels like I've been gone for years, but it's only been 2 weeks. Let's hop right into this market here. We got the S&P here. I've zoomed in on my 10-year weekly chart. So market closed at 42.29.89. Record high is 42.38.04. We've closed pretty close to it. Now, typically that means there's going to be a continuation signal, and we're going to see if that is going to continue into next week. Let's see if we have any clues. We've got a very strong trend that you've seen going on here. Our moving average has been tagged a couple times and it has responded. Now we have it creeping into the range that has been going on for the past 3 months or so. If this moving average gets into here, we've got a history of this getting bumped higher. So you see here, last time we had a range playing, it closed, got out of it, made its move, right? That moving average got closer. We've got a similar situation jumping off now. So this stall signal here has just been that. It's stalled. We're going to see if the juice is still in the tank. And I think the bull market is not over. Target price is 4,500 for the S&P. So that is the S&P. Let's check out the Russell, ticker IWM. All right, let's zoom in on the Russell, see how it's performing. Similar, we've got a nice little pattern going on here where it's flagging. We've been in that same range for about the same amount of time, about 3 months or so, and hits 230, backs down to around 220. You know, we had some flashes down lower and has responded. So we have now, our moving average has kicked in to where we are at. And what do you think? We've got a response here. We got a nice doji candle showing us some indecision. Those sellers were trying to come in, buyers came in, and now we've got continuation here. We've got another doji candle near this 230 strike. So I think my target price of 250 still on the table. I've never taken it off. It's still active, and we're going to get some action here in the next coming weeks or so. And once we break out of this 230, we're off to the races to that 250 strike. We've got our MACD that has shown that, you know, that stall here has been confirmed, and now we might turn out of that. And that is my analysis for the last week. I hope everyone has done well, and I'm glad that you've tuned in. Stocks and Bars episode 8 is being recorded. That should be coming out within the next 2 weeks or so. Also, make sure you check out my boys Marathon Money every single week. Man, they have got some great guests on there. So check that out. And as always, if you got any questions, you know where to find me at. That's on any social media. It's going to be at Wincrease Team. All right, so enjoy your weekend. We catch you next one. All right, peace.